How to get started using Odoo website builder. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be covering Odoo website builder and pretty much how to get started, how to use it, and pretty much all about or all that you need to know when it comes to Odoo website builder as a beginner. So basically, let's talk about Odoo first. Odoo is a platform that has many different apps that you can actually use. You can see if we just go to odoo.com, you can see all the apps that it has. And it has some apps for finance, like accounting, invoicing, and so much more, sales, CRM, and so much more, websites, supply chain, and you can see the amount of apps that Odoo does provide for you. Now, the great thing about Odoo is that you can actually go ahead and get any app, one app for free, completely for free. You can use it for free. You don't really need to subscribe or anything. But if you want to use multiple apps, then you would want to go to the pricing section and you can see how cheap it is. For Odoo, you can see that you will need to only pay $16 per month and you'll be able to get all the apps for that. But you can get one app only for free, which is great. So we will be getting the website builder. We will go to apps, we go to website builder, and this is going to be where we need to start off. So just go to odoo.com and then head over to the website builder and start now. It's free. Here we will need to create our account. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this step and then I'll get back to you once I'm done. Okay, so now that we have created our account for the website builder, we can get started using it. It's going to show you this page ready to build the perfect website. We will set you up and running in 4 steps. Click on let's do it and let's just go ahead and start with it. So you will need to add a few or answer a few questions to get a more personalized experience for your website building basically. However, if you want to start from scratch and create your very own website, like from blank page, you can just skip from the bottom of the page and click on skip and start from scratch. Now in here, we will need to fill in some information like I want a business website, an online store, a blog, or what type of website that you actually need. I'm just going to go for a blog, for example, and here we have the type of business. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and skip. You will be able to answer them very easily. It's just going to be questions about your business. I can't really think about all of those answers for this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip and start from scratch. For your sake, it would be a few questions, and then you'll be able to select a template, and it's going to lead you to the same exact place. So do not worry too much about it. So I'm just going to click on skip and start from scratch. So I just skipped, and it's going to also take you to the template section where you'll be able to choose a template that you would like to use. Now there are many templates, you can just browse them, see them, and see which ones suit you best. We can preview this vehicle one maybe. You can just preview it, see if you like it or not. And then we can just go back. And if you like it, you can obviously go ahead and apply it, but I may just go with this one instead. Yeah, I'll be using the maker template instead. So I'm just going to be clicking on use this theme. And now it's just going to set up our website builder for us. And now we will be able to add our personal touches to our website. So here we go. We have our website builder. Here is going to be the exact template that we have chosen. Now, basically, Odoo is a very simple website builder. It has a drag and drop. It is very easy to use. It's not going to be too complicated for you. Click on the edit button. I think they will also walk you through the steps at first, but if I can skip this. Okay, anyways, regardless. So basically, let's just summarize what we have here. We have on the right side the panel, which is going to have the blocks, the customization options, and the theme options. We can also switch between mobile and desktop, and this is pretty much all there is to it when it comes to the right panel here. So all the settings and all the blocks that we would want to add is from here. On the left side, we have the preview, and at the same time, we can actually go ahead and edit stuff by clicking on it, and then we can set it up from the right panel. For example, we'll be adding this banner image that they're asking us to do. To add any element, you just basically drag and drop. And now we have our banner section here. So in our banner section, or any other section, generally speaking, you click on it and you will be able to edit things out. It will automatically take you from the right panel to the customization tab. And in the customization tab, you will be able to customize that particular section. Now, each section will have different types of customization options, but you would, figure things out for yourself when you actually see them. Now for text, let's start with the text. You can simply just highlight whatever you want to change and add the text you desire. So this is pretty much how to add the text. Now in here, because we have clicked on the text, it's going to show us on the right side the text options here. So for example, we can just go ahead and select those. We can click on bold to make it bold. We can change the style, whether we want it to be a header style or normal, small, and so much more stuff. Italics and font color, background color, and the sizing, and also the centralizing if you want to centralize it basically, and so much more. So this is pretty much for the text. You just select whatever you want to change. You go ahead and add the elements that you want to change, and you're good to go. If you want to make it a link, make sure you click on insert or edit link, and now you can actually go ahead and add a link, and now it's going to be clickable. But I don't really need that right now, so we are good to go. Also, we have a button here, so we can actually go ahead and just click on the button like so, and we can just go ahead and feel free to change the text if we would like. That actually deleted the entire button because I had the entire thing selected. We can just click on it instead, so we can just do that. Oh, sorry, it takes us to this link. So basically, to add or edit the actual link to this button, you will need to go ahead and select edit link from the tab that actually shows up. Again, click on it, edit link, and it's going to take you there, just like it did previously. Hold on, I will need to do it one more time. Edit link, and now you can see it's going to take us to the link place here, where we can actually just go ahead and set up the link. If it's a page, we can also do slash, and then it's just going to show us the list of the pages and stuff. So I'm just going to leave this empty for the time being. What else? Now this is only for one section. We also have the images. If you want to change them, you can just click them, go to media on the customization option, and click on replace. Same goes for this one, same goes for this one. It's going to be exactly the same when it comes to images or videos. What else? We can also change the background of the entire section by just going in here, and we can change the background of the entire section. So this is basically how to customize your sections in here. Now we can just go to blocks and add more stuff as well. So for example, if we want to add image gallery, we can just drag and drop. And again, we just click on it. We just simply go ahead and select the section, as you can see here. And now you can just feel free to select each image and go ahead and click on add. And then when you go to the next one, click on add, click on the next one to add the images, and so much more. Again, with the background, we can actually go ahead and change it. Feel free to do all of that. And you can see it's fully working. Now, for the blocks, you have this entire section to choose from. You have a lot of blocks to choose from. You can embed a code if you want to embed a form or whatever it may be that you want to embed. You can go ahead and actually create a form in here. You can go ahead and do a lot of stuff like tables and all of those things, as you can see here. And this is how to use the blocks in this section. Also, I forgot to mention, when it comes to the actual header, you'll be able to customize your logo and this entire section by just clicking on the header. And you just scroll down if you want to change the logo to the bottom. I believe you just need to click on it first. Scroll down to the bottom and just go to logo, media, and click on replace, and you'll be able to actually replace it. And also, you can change the sizing of the thing here. So we have the menu items as well. We can actually change the link to them and so much more. Okay, so now this was entirely in the home page. What if we want to create our different pages? Basically, we'll need to go ahead and click on the top right where it says save, and we can click on new next to edit at the top right. And here we will be able to create a new page, and we can just go ahead and select a template for it, whether it's going to be about page and landing pages, gallery pages, and so on. Just select the page, and then you'll be able to just click on edit again, and you can just do the same thing that we have just done in this page. It's going to be exactly the same. It's not difficult at all to learn. And also, if we click on you can also add a lot more stuff. You can add appointment form, products, event, blog post, job position, live chat, course, and forum. So we have a lot of options, but those are grayed out. As you can see, if you want to actually use them, you will need to install it. Just click on it, click on install, and it should be good to go. So as you can see, Odoo website builder is very easy to use and very simple. Even for those who are not very good with technology, this shouldn't be a problem for you because it's simply a drag and drop. Let's just do one more real quick just to show you exactly what I'm trying to say. Let's say we want to add a carousel. We just drag, drop, we have a carousel. We just click on it to change the elements, click on replace, and we are good to go. It's as simple as that. So I hope this video was helpful to you and you liked this video, and thanks for watching.